Hello students, now welcome to our experiment number 11. The experiment 11 is based on use of 7447 BCD to 7 segment decoder for displaying a 7 segment display. Okay, you might have came across so many 7 segments where the digits are displayed from 0 to 9. Now for this, for preliminary explanation about the design of BCD to 7 segment decoder, you have to go through these two videos. Now here I am going to demonstrate the actual virtual lab demonstration of BCD to 7 segment decoder. The breadboard circuitry is also to be designed while performing the practical. In the questions quizzes, I have provided one breadboard circuit which you have to go through and check whether it is correctly built or not, and based on that there is one quiz question that you have to answer. Now we are going to see the virtual lab demonstration over here. For virtual lab demonstration, I have provided you the link that this is the virtual lab of IIT Kharagpur, where you can see here analysis of functions of BCD to 7 segment decoder. Here a simulator is there. In this simulator there are two parts, part 1, part 2. Part 1 where only single 7 segment is been interfaced with the 7447, and in part 2 you will have multiple 7 segments, means 3 7 segments are being interfaced with the 3 different 7447 decoders. Here when you need a digital value more than 9, at that time you need more digits. For this it is been used over here. Now first we will see the single 7 segment LED display is being interfaced with the decoder 7447. For this, first we will go to the data sheet of 7447. Now here you can see it features active low outputs. So active low output means what? All the outputs of this 7447 decoder are active low. Okay, so here you can see 0 means bubbles over here at the outputs of A, B, C, D. This is F. Okay, here E, F. Okay, all this. Okay, it is designed for driving a common anode type of LEDs. Common anode means whatever the circuitry been built over here, all the anodes of all these 7 segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G, all the anodes means positive terminals are brought into common, means common, and that common anode has been connected to the 5 volts. Okay, so other terminal of each individual segment LED is nothing but the cathode. So whenever you get a 0 from over here, that particular LED will be lit up or that will glow. Now coming back to the data sheet over here, the pin diagram is provided over here. Now directly we will go to the truth table that has been provided over here. Now here you can see, apart from whatever the 7 segment display is there, you can see over here the pin number 6 to 17. These are the 4 pins where the BCD input is given, and you know the BCD range is 0 to 9. Okay, but as these are the 4 pins are there, the value input that can be given to these 4 pins, that can be provided more than 9 also. So here you can see here D is high and A is high, these two are low. So 1 0 0 1, up to this the BCD value is ending over here. But as this is a 4 bit bits are available, so 10 11 12 13 14 15, these inputs can also be provided to this 7447, but based on that some different displays you are going to get over here. Okay, but main our focus is right now only to display the 0 to 9 numbers on a 7 segment LED. Now here, apart from these 4 pins and these output pins, there are other pins available, that is BI, RBI and lamp test. Okay, now what these pins are there, that we are going to see. The BI is a blanking input, or RBO is a ripple blanking output. So BI input must be held high. So we see over here, if BI is held high, then only we can be able to see the display over here. Now here, if I now this LT terminal, what is being said over here for the LT terminal, we can see here that when it is held high, then only for respect to BCD input you are going to get a respective output. So LT terminal should be held high. So what I am going to do over here, I am making this LT terminal high over here. Now currently the output is input to the decoder is 0 0 0 0. So actually 0 should be displayed over here, but it is not displaying over here. Why? Because it is mentioned over here that the blank input must be held high level when the output functions 0 to 15 are desired. So therefore, if I make it now this terminal 0, now I am getting over 0 over here. Now this is D is the most significant bit, A is the least significant bit. So therefore I am making least significant bit 1. I am getting 1 displayed over here. If I make 0 0 1 0, 2 is displayed here, 0 0 1 1, 3 is displayed here. If I make 1 0 0 0, 8 is displayed here, 1 0 0 1, 9 is displayed here. Now this is up to this 0 to 9 are the BCD values, but if we go beyond that, if I make it 1 0 1 0, I am getting some other pattern over here. Doing 1 1 1 0, I am getting a T over here. So these are the more than 9 value if it is given to the input. That the BI must be held high logic level when we want a BCD to 7 segment display on a 7 segment LED. Now this point we will see later on, when first we will see the point number 4. When ripple blanking input and all other inputs are low level with a lamp test high, all segment outputs go high. Okay, now all segment outputs go high means what? Now here you can see this RBI is low, DCBA, these are all low. Here is also DCBA, all are low, and here also DCBA are all are low. Okay, means this first point is satisfied over here. All segment outputs go high. Okay, and RBO goes low level and the ripple blanking output goes low level. Now here you can see here this RBO is going low over here. Now when this is low, all the segments are means A, B, C, D, E, F outputs are high. So therefore you are not going to see any display over here. Now when this is low, this is also low. Now when this is low, at that time already we know that for this point when the ripple blanking must be high if blanking of decimal 0 is not desired. Now blanking is happening. Okay, if you keep this high, then this blanking will not happen. Right now if I start counting over here, or if I give the input BCD input from least significant decimal digit over here, I will get the display directly over here. Now here initially if I take the counting will start from 1, 2, likewise. Okay, this is a normal counting. But here if you want to display the 0 0 2 in place of directly 2, if you want a 0 0, means you want a 0 0 0 to be displayed over here, then this must be held high. Now here due to this holding high, this is also being output high, so therefore RBI is high, so therefore all here you are getting a blanking 0 and no blanking of 0, means 0 is displayed over here. Now here also you can start the counting here 1, 2. Now if I give a value to over here also 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, so 5 is displayed over here, 52 is displayed over here. If I give here 852 is displayed over here. So likewise for multiple digit display you can interface multiple 74747 decoders by using this RBO and RBI. These pins are used